Good afternoon. In this video we're going to talk about how to use the public users database. First thing we need to do is double click on FileMaker Pro on our desktop. This should be on the desktop of the Information Desk computer. And here when we get to the Launch Center, click on the Hosts tab here. And if the host isn't already here, you want to hit this plus button here to add a favorite host, and the host name is filemaker.uthsc.edu. So just type that into the host's internet address and hit save. Now we should get a list of all of the FileMaker Pro databases on the UTHSC server. What we want to do is scroll down to UT Public Users Database, click on that, and then click Open. Now it's going to ask you for a login. Just use your NetID. My NetID is fmatthews, so I'm just going to put in my password. Then click OK, and it should bring up the database. The opening page here is a list of all the users. On this page you could sort the users by barcode, or by first name, last name, patron type, or by email address. You can view or edit any of these patrons by clicking on the View Edit button. You can do a patron search by clicking on Begin Patron Search. And then you can search in any of these fields. Say I wanted to search for Joseph, I will go to first name and hit enter. And there's only one Joseph in the database, but here he is. Joseph Bluffington is a student. If I wanted to create a new patron, click Create New Patron up at the top. Let's say I'm putting myself in as a guest. For a patron type, I'm going to call myself a UTHSC affiliated guest. First name, Francis. Last name, Matthews. Barcode, you can scan the barcode on the public user's card, or if they're just a guest, they don't need a barcode. Phone number, address, email, now we have to do the photo. To do this, go to the bottom right of the taskbar, click on Show Hidden Icons, then double click on AmberScan, that's the scanner. It should bring up this scanning program. Put the user's ID face down in the scanner, click on Scan, and click Done. And that shows you a picture of what you just scanned. You can close that. The actual file, if you go to File Viewer and go to Documents on this computer, it's going to be in Documents. So there is my scan here, AmberScan 2. So what you want to do is take this, click on it, drag it over here, and now it is in the database. That should have been in color, but I forgot to click color here. It should already be set up, but just make sure if it's not already set up that you choose color. So we're done scanning. I can click done. And if the photo ID was something like a driver's license, it would have an expiration date. So I would say 08/12/2019. That's the expiration date. And be sure to click New Note to record visit. So I visited 8/9/2016 at 3:23. So that's when I'm doing this video. And when you're done, click Save Changes. And as you can see, we don't see all of our patrons, we just see the one we searched for and me, so I can click List All Patrons to see everyone again. And we see Francis Matthews, UTHSC affiliated guest. That's what we just entered. If I wanted to view this, I could click View. So if I was coming in, for another day, and I said I'm already in the database, you could look me up, click on View. And if I came in today, click Record Visit, so it'll record the visit of every time they come in. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know.